All right, guys, this is a quick video. I'm taking the turbo and the headers off my car. The exhaust note, the headers or the header gasket had a hole in it, and it was making this like pat, 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 pat. Made my car sound like a go-kart. So what you see is I'm taking the headers off. I'm gonna get them over to the machine shop. I'm gonna have them deck the headers so that they're all flat. I put a straight edge on them. They're not straight. So this is what I'm gonna do. And at the end of the video, you'll see the header system that I made with the turbo and the downpipe. I made all of that stuff so that I can have that upright turbo mounted. Anyway, you can see the gasket, burn right through it. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Peace.